and today I have the Nectar's, the Big Baker's Oven, Baker's Oven XL, Vermont Bun Baker XL. So today I'm just going to do a general product overview for you guys, show you how the stove's built and the damper controls on it. So you do have 4 different damper controls on this model. First damper control is going to be located on the side towards the back. This is going to be your Flue damper control, okay? So it'll open and close the Flue here. To the front on the side of the stove, this is going to be your air wash control, okay? So pulled out, open, pushed in is closed. Air wash helps to keep your glass clean, which is a very nice feature to have. This will be your secondary air control, okay? Your primary air control is going to be located on the firebox door. Pulled to the left is going to be open, pushed to the right is going to be closed. And then finally, your oven damper control located on the bottom. So I'll show you inside the firebox here. So it does come with these 2 1/4-inch thick plate steel side panels that attach. So these are pretty heavy, like 30 pounds I would say. These will attach to the sidewalls inside the stove. You also have a bottom piece of this plate steel that sits on the very bottom of the firebox. The rear of the firebox is going to be fire brick lined, and then also the front. One thing I'll point out, this does look like a standard fire brick size, so that's really nice when it comes down to replacing parts. Door is going to be fully gasketed. They do use a nice thick gasket material, which is very nice. Oven. Inside the oven, which is also gasketed, you do have 3 different oven rack brackets, which gives you a total of 6 different options for levels. What's cool is they do give you 2 oven racks. That's also nice. Most companies only give you 1. One downfall I would say with the oven is it is going to be a painted finish. I would definitely prefer to see like a porcelain or a stainless lined baking oven. It just honestly makes it so much easier to keep clean. Top of the stove, you do have 2 round plates. These look like 6-inch removable holes. The hole inside's a little smaller, maybe 5 inches. So you can drop a small pan in for direct flame cooking or wok style cooking. That's a nice feature to have. Stove does have a center 6-inch chimney flue on it. Does have a heat shield built into the rear of the stove already. So if you're using a double wall chimney pipe, then you can do a reduced clearance application. So that's pretty nice. Overall, I really like this stove. This model is currently imported from Australia. However, a US company has bought out the Cookstove line actually. So I believe in the next few years sometime their goal is to produce them in the United States. So yeah, this is my general product overview for the Vermont Bun Baker. I really hope that you guys found this video helpful.